the fifth question is, which of the following rational numbers are in the lowest term? Okay, some numbers are not given in the lowest term, so you need to find which is in the lowest term. Okay, so now if I see the first question, 8 by 12, so here I can reduce it still in the lowest form because we can divide it both by 2. Okay, we can get the equivalent form basically, right? So here we get 4 by 6. Still we can divide with 2. I get 2 by 3. Okay, so this is in the lowest form, right? So which of the following rational numbers are in the lowest form? So this was not in the lowest form, right? So right? No. Here it was not in the lowest form. We have converted into the lowest form. Okay. Now 5 by 7, obviously there is nothing common between, the common factor between 5 by 7 is 1. So this itself is in the lowest form. So this is in the lowest form. Minus 3 by 12, we can divide with 3. In the numerator and denominator we get minus 1 by 4. So this is also was not in the lowest form. Okay. Fourth one, minus 6 by 7, yes, in the lowest form because there is nothing common between them. Common factor is only 1, right? This question, children, you have not learned the root numbers still, the irrational numbers, but I'll still do it for you. So this is 2 root 3. Root 7 can be written as, root 27 can be written as root 3 into root 9. So here root 3 we can cancel. We get 2 by root 9. Okay. So this was also not in the lowest form. So you can write no. 15 by 24 also not in the lowest form because we can divide both with 3 and we get 5 by 8. Okay. So here also you can write no. It is not in the lowest form. Okay, so which numbers are in the lowest form here? The second one, 5 by 7. The fourth one, 6 minus 6 by 7. Okay, the rest of the numbers were not in the lowest form. Okay, so the sixth question, you have to tell which of the following rational numbers are integers here. Okay, so if you see here, minus 10, yes, it is an integer because it's a negative integer. 15 by 5 you can cancel, you will get 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So 3, again it is a integer, right? 3 is an integer. If you take minus 5 by 15, you can divide with 5, right? You can cancel, you will get minus 1 by 3. So it is not an integer because it is a rational number in the form of p by q. If you take 13 by 5, this is also not an integer. Okay, because it is a rational number. Next you have 27 by 9, 9 ones are 9 threes are. So 3, yes, it is an integer, right? Next you have 7 into 3 by 14, 7 you can cancel, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So what do we get? 3 by 2. So this is, this is also not an integer. Okay, the last one, minus 6 by minus 2, minus you can cancel, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So here we get 3. So this is, yes, an integer. Okay. The seventh question, you have to write equivalent forms of these rational numbers. Okay. So 2 by 5 I can multiply with 2. Okay. In the numerator and denominator. So I get here 4 by 10. If I multiply with 3 in the numerator and denominator, what do I get? 6 by 15. Okay. If I multiply with 4 in the numerator and denominator, what do I get? 8 by 20. Okay. Like this, we get 3 rational numbers, equivalent form of the rational number 2 by 5. We multiplied with 2 in the numerator and denominator, we got first number. Multiplied with 3, we got second number. Okay, multiplied with 4, 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. Okay, similarly we follow the same method here also. Into 2, we get minus 10 by 12. So now minus 5 by 6, I will multiply with 3. I will get minus 15 by 18. Okay. Then minus 5 by 6. So easy way I told you, you can multiply it with 10. Easy to multiply, you will get minus 50 by 60. Okay. Third question also you can multiply with 2, you get 34 by 6. Then you can multiply with 5 maybe, right? You will get you will get 17 into 5 is 85 by 15 you will get, 17 by 3. You can multiply again, I said 10, multiplication with 10 is easy. You will get 170 by 30. So like this we get 3 rational numbers equivalent to the given rational number. Alright, so the 8th question here is you have to represent the rational numbers on the number line. So it is 2 by 5. So it is, see all the 3 questions, if you see, they are all proper fractions. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. So 2 by 5 will lie between 0 and 1. It's a proper fraction. So we have to divide 0 to 1 in 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th part. So here, so we have divided into 5 equal parts, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 5 parts. So this is 0 by 5, this is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, this is 5 by 5. So where is our 2 by 5? This is the 2 by 5, on the number line. Similarly, we can do this 3 by 4 also. 0 to 1 divide into 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So which is this first part? 0 by 4. This is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. This is 4 by 4. So 3 by 4 is here. Alright. Third one is 1 by 2. Very easy. 0 to 1 divide into 2 parts. So we have divided into 1 part, second part. So it's easy. This is 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2. So here it is 1 by 2. Now the 9th question is compare the following rational numbers. First part they've given you have to change them into the equivalent form of the rational number and then you have to compare. And the second part is using the number line. So first we will do by converting them into the equivalent form and then compare. So 2 by 3, 3 by 4, if I want to convert to equivalent form, 3 I'll multiply with 4, 4 here I'll multiply with 3. So I will make it into the same denominator. Multiplied here 4, 2 also will be multiplied with 4. Here I multiplied 4 with 3, here also I should multiply 3 with 3. So here I get 8 by 12 and here I get 9 by 12. So I get 9 is greater than 8. So 9 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12. So I can say 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. So here B part, if I see 3 by 5, 7 by 9. Here I can multiply with 9. Numerator, denominator, here I will multiply with 5. Here I get 27 by 45. Here I get 35 by 45. So this is greater. So I can say 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 5. So we are converting into equivalent form. We are making the denominator same, converting into equivalent form of the rational number, and then we are comparing. This also minus 2 by 3, this is 1 by 2, multiply here with 2, numerator also with 2, here multiply with 3, so we get the denominator 6. So here we get minus 4 by 6, here we get minus 3 by 6. So out of minus 4 and minus 3, which is greater, children? I told you the negative number, the greater number with a negative sign is smaller than the smaller number with a negative sign. So here minus 3 is greater than minus 4. So here minus 1 by 2 is greater than minus 2 by 3. D part 3 by 7, 5 by 11, into 11, here into 11, into 7, into 7. So here we get 33 by 77, here we get 35 by 77. So this is greater, that means 5 by 11 is greater than 3 by 7. Got it? Last part we have an E part also. I'll quickly show you E here. E is minus 7 by 6 and 3 by 2. Okay, so here minus 7 by 6, 3 by 2. You can multiply this with 2, here with 6. Okay, so you get minus 14 by 12. Here you get 18 by 12. So it is very clear, because one is a negative number, other is a positive number. So negative integer is always smaller than the positive integer. So it is very clear that 18 by 12 is greater. That means 3 by 2 is greater than minus 7 by 6. Okay. So again, coming back to question number 9, here compare the following rational number. Now we have to use the number line, okay, to compare. So I have taught you already the method of comparing the rational numbers on the number line. So first A part I have already shown you in my previous video. You can check it out. So here what I did was I made a line, okay, and I make an acute angle. So 2 by 3 I am showing here. Divide into 3 parts, okay, make it A1, A2, A3, okay. And so this, when you join it straight line, you will get this as 1. This is 0, okay. So same measurement, this arc you have to measure same, and then you have to keep the compass here and measure same, and then join. Here also you have to keep the same measure as this arc and cut it here also with the same measure, and you join, okay. So here this is 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3, okay. So here we get 2 by 3. Now how do I represent 3 by 4? Again make an acute angle down, make it into 4 equal parts, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to join this. This is 1 here. Then you take this arc measurement, same arc measurement you have to cut, you will join. Same thing you can do here also, you will join. So this is like 1 by 4, 2 by 4, this is 3 by 4, okay. So this is 3 by 4. So you see 3 by 4 is on the right side of 2 by 3. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. Okay, that's how we did using the construction method. Otherwise, if construction is difficult for you, you can convert into equivalent form just now, which I showed you in the first part, into 4 into 4, here into 3 into 3. So you get 8 by 12, here you get 9 by 12. Now it's easy to show on the number line. It is a proper fraction from 0 to 1, divide into 12 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay. So here you will get, so this is 0 by 12, 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12, 7 by 12, 8 by 12, 9 by 12, 10 by 12, this is 11 by 12, okay. So see, 8 by 12 is here, 9 by 12 is here. So which is on the right side? 9 by 12 right side, 8 by 12 on the left side. So 9 by 12 is greater. That means 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. Okay. So whichever method you find easy, you can use that method to compare. So the B part also I will show you, okay, with the construction method. Rest of the questions you try, you will definitely get the construction part of it, okay. So 3 by 5, if I have to show 3 by 5, again I make an acute angle and I divide into 5 parts, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join it here, you get 1, okay. So here you take the arc measurement, same arc measurement, same arc measurement, same arc measurement also. See, this also you have to measure same and you have to cut here, and then you get this line, okay. So here you get 3 by 5. So this is 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, okay. So where is 3 by 5? So this is 3 by 5, okay. Same thing, 7 by 9, make an acute angle below here and divide into 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's going really down for me, okay. So I will join this So here, see now I have shown 3 by 5. We got 3 by 5 here, and 7 by 9 divided into 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. So I have joined this last part to 1. Okay. So now here you have to take the same arc. So here also to take the same arc you have to cut. So you get these lines. Okay. If you take the same arc measurement, you have to use your compass. Okay, same thing you will get here also. Okay, so here this is 0 by 9, 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 6 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9. This is 9 by 9. Okay, so we want 7 by 9, so this is here is 7 by 9, right? So now here again, if you see, 7 by 9 is on the right side of 3 by 5. That's why 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 5. Okay. So this is the construction method of comparing the rational numbers on the number line. So try the other questions also, children, at home. Okay, surely you will get the construction right. Okay, or you try to convert into equivalent form and then you can compare. If you have any doubt, if you want to ask me anything, do write into me. I will reply to your queries. Okay, thank you, and subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and I will be presenting more videos to you for your help. Thank you.